when you're taking apart a $250,000 Lamborghini, don't be afraid when you hear this sound.
I'll do it. That's it. That's what it is.
What's up, everybody? It's Josh from Blackout Tinting, and behind me is what a $250,000 SUV looks like. This is, of course, the Lamborghini URUS, and the reason this one is here is for a variety of things. We're going to be spicing it up a little bit with some vinyl wrap accents. We're going to do the roof, the antenna on top of the roof, as well as the rear spoiler. On the side of the car, these are going to be wrapped black, the fender flare pieces, and these trim pieces. We're also going to do a custom accent with this body line that the customer asked us for. And we're going to be protecting the car as well. So the front end will have paint protection film on the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, and the mirrors. And we're also going to do the rocker panels, the door cup area where your fingers hit, and the door sill where your feet hit every time you get in and out of the car. Stay tuned. We're going to be starting the disassembly process on this in just a couple minutes. Give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you do. Protected the entire front end of this URUS, the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, and the rocker panels, so now the owner of this car can enjoy driving it without worrying about chips and scratches. After the paint protection film, we installed some custom vinyl graphics. This customer brought in a picture of what he wanted his URUS to look like, and we vinyl wrapped some things to make that happen. And the window tint were all done to create that image that he liked. This window tint is also a ceramic grade tint, so it's going to block a lot of heat to help keep the owner a lot more comfortable when he's driving it. If you enjoy this, if you like seeing what we're working on in the shop, make sure you give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot for watching.